Welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how you can create a seller account on Temu so you can sell on Temu. Okay, so you want to go to temu.com and then you want to log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page, and then here where it says help, the last option, it's going to say sell on Temu. Okay, you want to click on that link and then that's going to give you more information. So for me it's not showing because of my region, but you would want to click on that link. It's going to take you to a resource page where they're going to give you more information about selling on Temu, and then you're going to be given an email address that you need to email with all your details about what you want to sell and everything like that on Temu. Just send them an email and then they'll go through and approve your application, and then you'll be able to sell on Temu. So just click this link at the bottom of the page under help and go from there. So if this video helped you out, drop a like onto this video and I'll see you in the next one.